Hello, welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday, October 22nd. It's 5 p.m. I'm about to go pick up 2 new foster kittens. In late spring, early summer of this year, my boyfriend Sam and I first started 2 foster kittens. We had 2 pairs kind of back to back, and it was so fun. Very heartbreaking to give them back, but this is the first time, honestly, since all of summer that we haven't had trips or big plans going on the weekends. So I decided to sign up and get these 2 cute fluff balls. Look at this picture of them. Can you believe it? They already have names. Their names are Noah and Paisley, and I'm so excited to go pick them up. For any of you that live in the Bay Area that are also interested in fostering, it's really easy to get involved in. I foster with a company called Hopalong Animal Rescue. They have a location in Oakland as well as Novato. That's actually how I found out about this company, because I used to commute north of SF in Novato, and that's where I saw the very first shelter. I'm pretty sure I just emailed them and asked if they needed help with fostering kittens. They set up a phone interview where you kind of tell them about your experience, like owning cats or like taking care of cats. Once they have a need for fosters, like an influx of kittens, they need people like every single week to be taking kittens home. It's so fun, and I'm really grateful to my boyfriend Sam for also being down to like do this with me. As someone that works in person 5 days a week, I would not be able to do this alone. I go pick them up after work, bring them home. I have them all set up in the bathroom, but during the work days when I'm gone, Sam is at home like taking care of them. So it's kind of the perfect setup for him and I, but I'm so excited to meet him. Wednesday afternoon, next day, I'm at work. I'm sitting in this little courtyard area, which is really nice sometimes to come out here and like have lunch. Just had to follow up that the kittens were acquired. As you could probably tell from the last couple of videos, they are very shy, which I knew going in that kind of Sam and I's job with them is to socialize them. I just didn't realize how fearful they are. Like, they really do not want to come out from under our bathroom vanity, and they were tucked away in the little crate I brought them home in. So I think it's going to be a tough adjustment, but I'm hoping in the next week we can at least get them to come out so that we can pet them and like play with them. They're definitely very different from the other pairs of kittens that we've had before. I had a really nice morning. I was not in the mood to work out, but working in person 5 days a week, I feel like the mornings are often the only time of day where I can really go and get my heart rate up. So I try and push myself to do like at least 30 minutes of movement every day. I found a new running path. I'll insert my Strava right here. I've been running up to Twin Peaks in San Francisco, and it has like the prettiest view looking out at the city. I'm really glad that I went because I just feel so much better after a workout. Like, you literally never regret doing some form of exercise, even if it's just like a 10-minute walk to clear your head. But yesterday was a really fun day because on my lunch break, I tried to show a little of this walk I took to the Lululemon in downtown Oakland. I got the mini flare Align pants, which I've wanted for a really long time. I haven't bought a pair of pants from Lululemon since 2021. When I lived in Boston, I literally remember exactly what pair of pants it was. So this has been a long time coming, and I'm really glad I was able to get those yesterday. I just feel like they're so flattering, and I like that they flare out at the knee, kind of like a traditional yoga pant. I also, this was yesterday, went to my favorite cafe, Petite Cafe. The cafe yesterday was running really late, so as a treat, they gave me a free cookie and a little bit of pumpkin bread. It was so good. And today, even at work, my boss is buying burritos for everyone. Like, the whole clinic is getting free lunch. So I just feel like it's been, in that realm, a really good week. Been eating lots of yummy things. Tonight, my friend Julia is coming over. Her and I are gonna bake some peanut butter cookies together. That should be fun. I think Julia might be my friend that hasn't seen Harry Potter, and that is by far my favorite movie franchise. So if she hasn't, I can't remember. Now I'm like, is that someone else? I'm hoping that I can put on Harry Potter or like a Halloween-ish movie while we bake in the background. And hopefully we can get the kittens to come out tonight. That is like, really would make my day. Thursday morning, I'm on my way to work. What an evening we had. Actually, for starters, I woke up today at 4:30. My body just woke me up and I sat in the bathroom for like 10-15 minutes. I fed the cats like a really early breakfast and they finally came out. The update with them is that they're so shy. I think everything I'm expecting to happen sooner is just gonna take like a couple days for them to like be curious enough to come out from the vanity and let us pet them. Like, they'll let us pet them, but we have to reach under and pull them out. Like, they're just very scared. So this morning felt like great progress that they came out, had breakfast, and they played with me a little. I used this little stick with an orange ball at the end and they were enjoying kind of like hunting that. Last night with Julia was so fun. We baked these peanut butter button cookies. Kind of a fail because peanut butter cookies always crack. If you've ever made any, when you like flatten them down, they like kind of splinter. And we use some metal straws. Julia has to poke holes. You'll see in the video I got that they kind of look like buttons. But when you pick up the cookies, they mostly fall apart. But that's okay. It was super fun. We had Harry Potter on in the background. Julia had never seen. We watched, or I don't know if she'd seen it all the way through. So we watched the second half. And I was just filling her in on all of the lore. The Hogwarts lore. Anyway. Yeah, it was really fun. Today will probably be the day I end off the vlog. I'm just going to work, and after work, I'm gonna try to work on my Halloween costume. Sam and I are going to a party on Friday, and I've always wanted to do like a matching couple costume. We've never attempted it before. I feel like every year for Halloween, I always want to do something big and really execute, but I always like half-ass it, which is my own fault. We were thinking of being Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. He really wants to be a pickle, and he suggested I could be Tequila and we could be a pickleback shot, but I don't really think that's all that funny. This is not an original idea. I know other people have done this one, but I thought we could be Wordle and Connections. That would be really cool. I think I need to workshop today at work. I'm gonna get on Pinterest and look up like modern couple costumes because I just want to do something that's like fresh and feels different. We shall see. Just got to Trader Joe's. It's like 5:45. Traffic was really bad today, but I'm here to pick up produce. Sam and I have a lot of stuff in the freezer and I am just dying for some like fresh fruit and vegetables. So I'm gonna go get that now. Okay, Trader Joe's run complete. I got a really good haul. I'm having a chomp on the way home. And here's a question. A couple of my friends pointed out to me when we were on a camping trip that they think it is unhinged to eat a chomp, like a meat stick, in any setting that is not camping. Do you agree or do you disagree? One of my favorite accounts on TikTok is this nutritionist. I think her name's Taylor. I'll put her in the description of this video if you care to check her out. And she has been so informative and educational about the best way to eat certain foods that will hold you longer. And it's a form of combining like a protein with a healthy fat and some fiber so that you prevent like a blood sugar spike. I don't know if anyone watching this cares about nutrition stuff, but I find it fascinating. Honestly, nutrition is an area I would love to go into like later in my career just because I love exercise, but nutrition and food, I feel like it's it can be so healing when you like know how to eat well and enjoy it and like get into cooking. I feel like that's something I'm trying to do more in this 27th year of my life. But one of her best recommended snacks, if you're looking for something convenient and on the go, is a chomp because it's got like 10 or 11 grams of protein in it, and then have that with an apple and some peanut butter because you get fiber from the apple and healthy fats from the peanut butter, and all of that combined holds you for way longer than if you just have like an apple for a snack or if you just have like this alone. And I just love that combo. I've been really into like changing the way I think about my food to eat more protein, fiber, and healthy fat at the same time if I'm trying to like hold myself over, you know? So anyway, do you eat these? Why does my wrapper look like this? I'm so excited to go home though and unpack these groceries. I really need to shower and hang out with the kittens. I need to like set up my phone and give them their own moment so you can formally meet them through the screen. They're just so shy and like when I'm with them, I want to like pet them and keep them calm because they like get really scared and overwhelmed really easily. But tonight, I think we might try to bring them out into the living room and put their cage in the living room with the door open so they can like always retreat back into there. But if they want to explore and feel comfortable to do that, they can like come out and hang out with us in the living room. Okay, really quick grocery haul before I hop in the shower and show you the kittens. I got a cucumber. I think I got 6 Honeycrisp apples. Got 2 bundles of bananas. I like to keep one just for eating as a snack, and then I'll cut the rest in half and freeze those for smoothies. Pumpkin bagels, which I'm pumped about. Asparagus, romaine. I also got 1 thing of baby spring mix, as well as broccolini. And then I got some frozen chicken pot stickers just for lunch. I got some makeup wipes because micellar water has not been doing me well recently. I just like need to try something different. And then I got some rosemary and sage for a really good dinner I want to try and make tomorrow. I got some vitamins. I got some face lotion. I got the pre-marinated pesto chicken. This stuff is so good. It's kind of one of their only marinated meats that I think I like that much. A bunch of the chomps, and I also got a bunch of their peanut butter protein bars, the Think brand. Got a butternut squash. And then I got 2 types of tortellini. I got spinach, and then I also got butternut squash, which I love this when it comes out in the fall. Plain yogurt, because we just ran out. 2 things of cold brew, my favorite. Got 1 thing of ground turkey to make like tacos or burritos or something. I never buy red meat, like I'm not comfortable cooking it, but I saw this recipe for steak that you make with like brown butter, sage, and rosemary, and that's what I'm gonna try to make tomorrow. So that's everything I got from Trader Joe's. Okay, I took a shower. I started to watch a freaking vlog that made me cry, but I'm gonna attempt to pull the kittens out from under the couch. I brought them into the living room. Let's see if I can show you them. They hiss at me every time. She's just a little rag doll. She doesn't like to sit with me. She's so cute. Oh, poor Wendy's scared. I'm so bummed she doesn't love me right away. That's what I'm used to with all the kittens I've fostered, huh? The internet needs to know your name. Casey. It's okay. Oh my god, you guys. They came out from under the couch. They're here. And they want to play with the orange ball on the stick. Hey.